I'm here in Vero Beach, just 12 minutes from the shores of the Atlantic Ocean and some of the prettiest beaches in Florida. And the town offers more than you might think. There's a museum with fascinating exhibits, the Riverside Theater where you can catch a live show, an oceanfront restaurant with far-reaching views, and incredible fresh-off-the-boat seafood. You'll have no trouble finding a good golf course, great spots to cast out your line and cruise the waters. There's something for everyone, including world-class shops, botanical gardens, and more. Hi, I'm Nina, and I'm here in Lost Tree Preserve, where we're building brand new homes in what's already a charming gated community. Beautiful, right? Our new home collections include several single and two-story homes. You'll find that every home site selection is truly unique, many with nature and water views. By the way, adding a screened-in lanai to your outdoor area is fairly easy. With some home sites, you can even add a pool. Inside, our home features open concept designs with chef-inspired kitchens overlooking the great room, creating that perfect space for gatherings with friends and family. You'll love your relaxing owner's suite and spacious walk-in closet. Our flex rooms and lofts are great for home offices and playrooms too. From home and design selections to financing, the build process and beyond, our entire team is with you every step of the way. That is our promise to you. We look forward to showing you around.